Hello children. How are you? Today we are going to learn one simple multiplication trick. This trick nobody will teach you in maths class. You do not need to know Vedic maths formula. This is super simple trick. So let's start. Suppose I want to multiply 57 into 99. Let's find out how to find answer within seconds. Subtract 1 from 57. Subtract 10's place number from 9. Take big friend of units place number. So answer is 5643. That's it. Very simple. Let's solve some more sums. 82 minus 1 is 81. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 2's big friend is 8. So answer is 8118. 65 multiplied by 99. 31 multiplied by 99. 85 multiplied by 99. 17 multiplied by 99. I hope you like my simple and super fast multiplication trick. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.